Urban Gardening 2025. How to grow a thriving edible garden in small spaces. Urban gardening is no longer just a trend, it's a movement. With more people seeking self-sufficiency, organic produce, and a connection to nature. 2025 marks another high point in the global embrace of small space, edible gardening. Whether you're growing on a balcony, rooftop, or compact backyard, creating a productive vegetable garden in tight spaces is both achievable and rewarding. The foundation of a successful small space garden is choosing the right plants. In 2025, vertical gardening has taken the spotlight as space becomes increasingly limited in cities. Choose compact, fast-growing, and high-yield vegetables like cherry tomatoes, baby carrots, dwarf kale, and salad greens. New hybrid varieties have emerged this year that are specifically bred for container and balcony gardening. For instance, micro cucumbers and space-saving pepper plants now provide full harvests in just a few square feet. Herbs like basil, thyme, mint, and cilantro continue to be favorites for their dual purpose, culinary delight, and natural pest control. The key is to choose plants that can coexist, support each other's growth, and flourish in modular planters or vertical structures. Equally important in 2025's gardening practices is the soil and watering method. Sustainability is the key word this year, with many gardeners adopting self-watering containers and compost-based soil mixes. DIY compost bins have also surged in popularity, using kitchen waste to create rich organic fertilizer. Layering compost, peat moss, and vermiculite gives urban gardeners better control over moisture and nutrients, especially in areas where native soil is poor or non-existent. Smart watering solutions, such as gravity-fed drip irrigation systems made from recycled bottles, are now commonly used, ensuring water efficiency while keeping your plants hydrated. Moisture meters integrated into app-based tracking systems also allow for real-time monitoring and optimization. The third essential strategy for 2025 is pest control without chemicals. With pollinators under threat and the rise of micro-ecosystems in urban zones, many are now turning to companion planting and natural predators. Marigolds planted next to tomatoes help repel nematodes. Nasturtiums act as a trap crop, keeping aphids off your lettuce. Ladybugs, lacewings, and even backyard frogs are being intentionally introduced into container ecosystems to keep harmful insects in check. Urban gardeners also use netting, biodegradable sprays made from neem oil and garlic, and smart companion setups to keep pest populations manageable without harming the environment or food quality. Finally, garden aesthetics and mental health benefits are leading the way in why people garden in 2025. The modern edible garden is not just functional, it's beautiful. Mixing edible flowers like pansies and calendula with leafy greens not only creates a stunning display, but also supports pollination and biodiversity. Trellises and modular shelves painted in calming tones like sage green or sky blue, are popular, blending design with productivity. Gardeners are also designing meditation corners within their growing areas, integrating small fountains, herb-scented walkways, and even solar-powered garden lighting. These gardens become both a source of food and a refuge from daily stress, reinforcing the emotional and psychological value of urban gardening in the digital age.